Well, hello, it's about time. It's my favorite room in the house. I know you didn't think it was gonna be the laundry room, but it's the laundry room. I love this room. Not only do I sort of just like things being clean and I enjoy folding, not necessarily washing, but I do enjoy folding and I like when things are put away. This room, it needed to be fancy. I don't care that it's the laundry room. I just wanted it to be fun and gorgeous and amazing, and I'm obsessed with it. So we have 2 washer and dryers. There's 6 of us. There's a lot of laundry, as you can imagine. But the one mistake I think I made is I had room for 3 washers and dryers, and I wish I had done that. But the truth is I don't use the dryer all that much because I like everything hung to dry. So I created this whole drip dry area. And I know this looks like wood, but it's actually porcelain. So is the floor. But it gives that beachy wood feel to it. And again, that organic element in this room. But it's porcelain, so you can just wipe it. I feel like laundry rooms should be very light and very bright because it's where you make things clean, right? But I had to have some sparkly wallpaper. So I did this, you know, like dark gray kind of sparkle on the walls to make it just a little fancy. I don't know, it almost feels like stars in the sky to me. So we have double sinks, tons of storage, the washer and dryers, the drip dry area, this ginormous island, but I had one more wall. Et voila! Okay, I'm not candy spelling, I don't have a whole gift wrapping room, but I do have a gift wrapping wall. And if you know anything about me, you know I'm hyper organized. So I'm gonna show you in the drawers. I want you to see what's going on in there. Plus, what's amazing is this huge center island is not just for folding clothes, but it's for wrapping gifts. And the kids and I have a lot of fun in here when it's someone's birthday or when it's before the holidays and we come down here and everyone gets their own wrapping paper and wraps up their gifts. It also makes it really fun and personal for the kids when they are going to a birthday party that they have this whole space to wrap the presents and pick out their ribbons. And so they feel like they've given their friend not just a gift, but you know, time, thought, and energy. On this wall, you'll see gift bags, some wrapping paper, some gift tags, ribbons. I have more underneath that I'm gonna show you. This is my beautiful wall though. This is where I kept everything super pretty, but I use all this stuff. I love personalized things, as you know. So I have stickers with my initials. I have ribbon that says Dubrow, bags, and my favorite thing are the gift tags. So when we give a gift to someone, instead of putting, you know, just a D or, you know, like a plain tag, we have tags with everyone's faces on them. That way, like if Coco's giving a gift or Max is giving a gift to a friend, she puts that tag on there, she writes a little note on the back, and it's personal. I know you want to peek into my drawers. Ways to measure wrapping paper, Sharpies, hot glue guns, scissors, all kinds of tape. And of course, wrapping paper galore. Beautiful ribbon options. I love personalized wrapping, and so I have lots of boxes and bags and all kinds of fun things with my name on them or just our last name on them so that we can use them for gifts. It's so much fun to give someone a gift like that. And of course, my tissue paper. And if you want like a color, you could choose a different tissue paper. And lots of little decorations for all kinds of holidays and dressing up your presents. I love this room. I'm so glad I created this space. And I have to say, one of my favorite things to do in here is wrap presents with the kids. I love when they're going off to a birthday party. We come down here and we choose the right wrapping paper and the ribbon. And sometimes the combinations are beyond hideous, but they love it. And it's from them and they've chosen it and they wrap it and it's really fun. I don't want you to miss any room in the house, so make sure you become a subscriber right now.